Look at that.
This is a Jason Becker edition KIESEL VADER.
In this very special onyx finish by my daughter, KAILA KIESEL.
I missed a KIESEL live, and Jeff KIESEL had this thing on his live stream. When I got home that night, I was looking through the feed, and I seen this guitar in the thumbnail of his live stream. And I'm like, oh my God, what is that? This is a very special guitar because his daughter KAILA started doing these onyx finishes. Her finishes are mostly black with the color and the grain, hence the name onyx.
Hi, my name is KAILA KIESEL, and this is my new finish, Onyx. This will be available in 8 different colors over black raw tone.
And so what's different about this onyx finish? The finish is not black, it's white. KAILA did this medium pink color filled with a white onyx. So cool.
I had no idea KAILA did those finishes or the details of them. I try not to follow KIESEL too much because I'll see guitars I want and I don't need to be buying them. I've been wanting to check out a Jason Becker KIESEL for years. I just never purchased one, never had the opportunity to play one, but I've always been curious about these numbers, what it would look like in person. For some reason or another, I just never pulled the trigger on one. I think the guitar is cool as hell. It got my attention. It gives me a chance to try out a Becker and these pickups. I've never tried these pickups before, so I really wanted the guitar. It was special. And then of course Jeff saying this.
A one of a kind, right? And this is a guitar that is no longer available. This is an extra that I had put through a while ago and told KAILA, hey, do something special. And this is what she gave me.
The live stream ended, and of course I was watching the replay of it. That night, I'm like, I should email Chris just to check into what's going on with it. And then I was like, no, I don't need to buy another guitar. I'll just email him in the morning. And then morning came, and I was like, no, I don't need to buy another guitar. And then that afternoon, I got to thinking, well, if the guitar hasn't sold, maybe it's meant for me to get it, right? So I contacted Chris. They still had the guitar. He just needed to get the okay from Jeff to sell it. Jeff gave it the okay, so I bought the guitar. KAILA also signed the guitar right here. See if that'll come in. So this guitar is really special, man. Jeff liked it. It's a one of a kind. His daughter made it. His daughter signed it. So my question is, did I just purchase a girl's guitar? And one thing I noticed is, look at my hands. Let me try to play this thing. I'm going to be playing sloppy. This is mainly all I wanted to do, guys. Just come on here and say nanny, nanny, boo, boo.
This amazing roasted flame fingerboard and neck. I don't know if you're zoomed in and you can see that chatoyance.
KAILA probably worked a lot on this. It was pretty badass.
Yeah, it looks really cool with the roasted. KAILA did a great job coming up with these specs.
KAILA KIESEL VADER Jason Becker edition. I appreciate you watching. Take care, guys.